Welcome! In this video, we are going to continue the application software. Now, we are going to talk about integrated software. What is an integrated software? The best example is the Microsoft Office because it has different softwares for different tasks. The Word Office is for word processing, the PowerPoint is for presentations, and the Excel is for spreadsheets. So, what is the integrated software? It is packages tend to offer many single-purpose application programs bundled into one package, like the Microsoft Office. And these different application programs are compatible with one another. That means data can be transferred easily between different parts of the package. In Microsoft Office, we can copy a spreadsheet prepared in Excel to Word document. Now, let's move to another application software, which is the specialist application software. This software provides the tools for a specific task rather than for a broad application area. For example, a program that is made especially for preparing and printing compact disc labels. Now, let's move to the general purpose software. These are usually off-the-shelf software packages. That means you can walk into a shop and buy them off the shelf. An example of off-the-shelf software packages is Paint. The term off-the-shelf must be memorized because it is frequently used in the ICT course.